Sports betting gives savvy gamblers an opportunity to collect cash while their favorite players collect trophies. Gambling winnings, just like any other income, are taxed in the United States. Did you rake in gold last year in sports betting? If so, then keep watching for everything you need to know about paying tax on sports betting. Geography matters. The Supreme Court gave states the right to legalize sports betting in 2018. And while sports betting is illegal in a large portion of the US, this doesn't get you off the hook of paying taxes. Whether or not your state permits betting, you're still eligible to pay taxes on income acquired through gambling means. If you're living in a state where it's legal to bet on sports, it's especially important to follow tax rules when reporting winnings. Taxable winnings. The IRS classifies all gambling winnings as taxable income, whether or not these winnings were earned legally. Such income can come from raffles, lotteries, horse races, and casinos. The IRS doesn't mention sports betting on its website, but these do count as gambling winnings. Any cash winnings or prizes, such as vehicles or vacations, also count, assessed at their fair market value. The numbers. If you've earned your winnings at a gambling facility, that facility will actually issue you a tax form for those winnings at the start of tax season. However, this only happens if you win $600 or more, or if you've won at least 300 times at that facility. You'll also receive said form, W-2G, if you cart home at least $1,200 from the slot machine and $1,500 from Keno. And if you really bring home the bacon, earning at least $5,000 for sports betting, this definitely goes on your tax record. If you receive cash from a sports betting facility, you will receive a total that already has taxes taken out of it. Facilities are required to withhold 24% of your earnings for federal withholding tax. However, if you receive off-the-record winnings, these are still taxable. You will have to report them as other income when filing your taxes, and these will be taxed along with the rest of your income according to your filing status and tax bracket. You may also have to pay state income tax on your sports betting cash, depending on where you live. Claiming losses. It may be possible to report any sports betting losses. Sports betting losses are tax deductible, but under very specific conditions. The most important of these conditions is that you can't claim losses that total more than your gains. So if you lost $5,000 in sports betting last year but took home $7,000 in the end, you'd be able to deduct all of those losses. If you lost $15,000 on sports betting but took home $5,000, you would only be able to deduct $5,000 of your lost bets. Tips for reporting. You may be tempted to withhold your sports betting cash from Uncle Sam, especially if you won it informally, i.e. outside of a gambling facility. However, failing to report taxable income on your tax return via Form 1040 can result in severe penalties. Some of these include serious jail time on top of relevant fees. You may also be subject to an Irs audit at any time. For this reason, we strongly recommend keeping a diary or journal of your sports betting wins and losses. In your diary, you should be recording the type of gambling, the date, gains and losses, location, and people you've bet with. You should also hold on to any relevant forms or receipts detailing cash transactions. Claiming your gambling losses can also help you minimize how much of your sports betting earnings you give back to Uncle Sam. Do you owe the IRS money as a result of late taxes or misreporting your sports betting income? Don't panic. Visit our site for easy tips. And if you enjoyed this video, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe.